capacity between 60 to 75%.
Qatar 1, the first 3 trains that were built here at Ras Laffan and the Qatar site, has been producing for about 10 years, and that today produces around 10 million tonnes per annum. Qatar 2 will add 2 super trains at 7.8 million tonnes per annum each, and that will then be followed by Qatar 3 and Qatar 4, each with 7.8 million tonnes per annum.
It's an amazing project, not just in terms of the scope. There's nothing this large anywhere in the world, obviously, but a number of technology step-outs. We're taking a massive step forward in economy of scale. So each of these trains, and we call them, and I think rightfully so, super trains, will produce about 7.8 million tons of LNG each year.
Some of the equipment that we're using is a first for the LNG industry, and really we're pushing the bounds of the technology, so when they all come on the stream, we believe that'll differentiate ourselves amongst the other LNG producers.
Qatar Gas is a good success story. There are a number of elements that have supported the company. The clear vision from the states and represented by QP, and the support we receive from them. Second is the quality and the number of shareholders we have on board.
Qatar Gas 2, Qatar Petroleum is the largest shareholder. They have about 70% of this project. Then we have ExxonMobil and Total.
Qatar Petroleum is the main shareholder for both QG3 and QG4, but the minority shareholders in QG3 are ConocoPhillips and Mitsui, and for QG4 it's Shell.
Water wash level, please.
Our workforce, the experience, the quality, and the training would rank very high of the reasons why we are so successful.
The unique thing about Qatar Gas is that we are more than 54 nationalities. We are making use of that diversity to enrich the business, and a lot of successes happen because of this diversity.
We have scoured the world to find the best people, experts in their field, the best construction people, engineering, and they've all become part of the Qatar Gas family.
People are extremely important to us. You know, safety is not about shareholders' asset. It's not about the profit. It's not about bottom lines. Our belief with regard to safety is very basic, is that we want everybody to show up to work every morning and goes back to his family at the end of a busy day in one piece. I think we owe it to ourselves, we owe it to our co-workers, and we owe it to the community we work within, and to our shareholders.
Qatar Gas business looks after safety as a major requirement, and safety of the people is number one in Qatar Gas.
The country is open to business for international firms, and you can see that with the development of the Qatar Financial Centre. There is a long-term plan, the contracts are over 25 years. It is a very stable environment for which to invest.
Qatar Gas is remarkable in a lot of ways, but I think one of the best is that we'll be providing up to 20% of the gas supply that's consumed in the UK. And that means that the entire UK economy, every person in that country, will be dependent, more or less, on our ability to deliver on our promises. It makes me feel good to know that what I'm doing is going to mean something to a large number of people.
This is a long-term business. We made commitment to our buyers, and in turn our buyers went out and made a big commitment to their customers and buyers. So reliability is very important.
We Japanese need energy always, probably next 100 years. That's certain. Our relationship is unbreakable.
It has been an extremely successful story, to move from a smaller producer to the largest in 10 years. That tells you a lot in itself.
I think what we're doing is unmatched with any other project that I'm aware of. The size, the scale, the scope. It's a great opportunity to learn how the best in the world do things.
Well, this is probably one of the best jobs in the world, to be honest. The challenges are immense, for sure, but the satisfaction once we get to the end of the project will be fantastic, I'm sure, as well.
In a few years from now, Qatar Gas will be one of the biggest LNG companies in the world. Qatar Gas creates a real roadmap in the LNG business. The ambition today is to build Qatar beyond oil and gas. Qatar will be the capital of education in the whole Middle East, will be a financial business center. We are changing. Yes, we are using the revenue of oil and gas, but to build the next future.